My name's Kevin. Welcome to my wood shop. Today I am going to be turning a pen from Penn State Industries and a click pen. My blank is going to be stabilized Buckeye Burl. So I already drilled a 3/8 millimeter, a 3/8 inch hole, and now I'm going to glue in my tube into the blank. All right, so like I said before, you're going to take Bob Smith Industries extra thick glue. Take the pin, insert, remove. The glue should flow now. The only difference between this pin and the pin I did last week is the fact that this is a single tube pin, not a double. So I have no paper towel. All right, paper towel. Take the excess glue on the ends here, wipe it off. Then I'm going to take my accelerator, and all I'm doing is making sure that the super glue on the end of the blank is dry. Now I'm going to give that a couple of minutes to harden and set on the pen tube. And while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm going to tell you a story. Okay, what I did was I bought the Penn State Industries cat pen kit for my wife, and I did that for her birthday. And I got the 3-piece starter set, and I figured I'd turn one in pewter, one in gold, and one in chrome. She could look at whatever one and take the one she wanted. Well, I had the pewter one and the one in gold done. She took them both. She liked them that much, and she's got them on her desk at work. She puts them and locks them at night so nobody steals them, but she leaves them out. She was looking through the catalog and she said, "Oh, why didn't you do one of the dog pen kits?" I told her I didn't have one, but I start looking through my box of pen kits this morning, and guess what I did order and didn't realize? This morning I'm using, like I said, the stabilized Buckeye Burl, and this is in black. The last one was in natural. So I take this over to my 12-inch disc sander, and I have a sled that I can slide back and forth, and I'll run the ends down until it's true to the tube. Now, what I failed to do in the last video was I didn't show you guys a close-up of what the ends look like. Now that I've touched this to the disc sander, this is true and this is true. So all I have to do now is get out my bushings, take those over to my lathe, put them on the pen mandrel mounted with the blank, and turn it. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to show you turning the pen again, but I will show you once it's finished with the CA finish that I put on. Okay, everybody, I got this back from over on the lathe. I've got my CA finish on there. There you have it. Buckeye Burl dyed in black. And it's going to be on the new dog style click pen from Penn State Industries. Okay, there you have it. Black dyed or dyed black box or Buckeye Burl, and that is a dog click pen kit from Penn State Industries. Okay, while I was out here in my shop, I decided to go ahead and turn this one here out of the box elder burl, and that's done in gold, and personally I like this one a whole lot better. I like it better than I do in the black in the Buckeye Burl. So I'm going to include that and you tell me what you think.
Stick around. You might see a little bit more.
All right, just a quick little show and tell here. This is that Buckeye Burl dyed in black. I'm going to finish turning it, and as soon as I get it turned and finished, I'll bring it back over and assemble it. So just like I said, a little quick sneak peek. All right.
If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up, and in the comment section below, tell me what you think of what I'm doing. Thank you.